Alright, it's my project after about 7 months, 7 or 8, actually longer than that, 9 months of working on this project. Got my stepper motor. It's going to turn this huge plate up here. We're about to see it work. Voila. Look at that. So there's my stepper motor. It's connected with a sprocket, two little sprockets, and this synchronized belt. And it's got this little microcontroller. It's connected to a computer and a power supply, and now it's just going through a set series of commands to rotate. There are 2 ball bearings. One is press fit into that piece of aluminum right there. The other is press fit into, there's another piece right there, that large thing on top. It's kind of not the sprocket, but that has a ball bearing in it. And I machined all these components and cut all the metal. And this is carbon fiber. It seems to have stopped. This is carbon fiber. It's epoxied onto this piece of foam. And then everything's connected with 80-20 pieces and a couple of standard screws. And there's a large aluminum shaft that goes all the way through the whole thing, comes up to here. And what's supposed to happen is I'm supposed to take this little guy, it's a slip ring, and that's just going to go right through here. Push that on. It's hard to do this with one hand. Put that in there, and right now this just squeezes on like that. And so there's going to be some sensors in this plate, and the quadcopter is going to come and read the sensors and actually align itself with these 4 poles. And these are going to have carbon fiber poles on the top, and it's actually going to charge up the quadcopter, hopefully autonomously, and then it'll fly away. And there's one last component. This guy. This guy goes on top of there. And if you just use your imagination, and the wires are going to be fed back through the plate. There's some other holes right here that you can't see. Those get screwed on, and that's essentially it. There's going to be other electronics down there that's not part of my project, but let's just see it rotate one more time. Ah, isn't that beautiful? And don't worry about the trim. I'm actually going to glue something over this trim so it doesn't look so ugly. This stuff, just going to cut it and glue it on there and make it look nice. But that was kind of the last step, so just got to prepare for that. So that's my project.